The global economy is a complex network of exchanges involving goods, services, capital, and knowledge that connects countries across the world. This interdependent system allows national economies to benefit from international trade, foreign investment, and technology transfer. However, this interconnectedness can also create vulnerabilities, as seen in financial crises and disruptions in supply chains. The rise of some emerging economies has significantly impacted employment in more developed nations. As certain regions became global production hubs due to their lower labor costs, many companies relocated their production to these areas. This resulted in the loss of manufacturing jobs in the countries of origin, especially in regions with a strong industrial tradition. Although globalization has brought economic benefits in terms of lower prices and a greater variety of products for consumers, it has also posed challenges for workers in sectors affected by foreign competition. Technology plays a crucial role in the current economic rivalry between nations. They compete for supremacy in key areas such as artificial intelligence, telecommunications, and semiconductors. The ability to innovate and dominate these technologies is seen as fundamental to economic power, security, and military strength. Some nations have taken measures to restrict others' access to advanced technologies, attempting to limit their growth and maintain their own competitive edge. In the long term, protectionist policies can have mixed effects on the global economy. On one hand, they can help protect domestic industries and preserve local jobs. On the other hand, they can increase production costs, reduce efficiency, and limit global economic growth. Deglobalization and protectionism may lead to the fragmentation of international trade, with countries focusing more on self-sufficiency and less on international cooperation. This could slow down technological progress and innovation, as collaboration and knowledge exchange would be restricted. It is important to note that predicting the future of an economy is extremely difficult, even for economists. Economies are dynamic and complex systems, influenced by a multitude of interrelated factors, such as government policies, technological innovations, geopolitical events, and changes in consumer behavior. Moreover, economic models are based on assumptions and data that can rapidly change, limiting their ability to accurately predict the future. Financial crises, pandemics, and other unforeseen events can drastically alter the economic landscape in ways that are impossible to anticipate. Therefore, while economists can provide analyses and projections based on current trends, the inherently unpredictable nature of underlying economic forces makes the future inherently uncertain. In summary, the international economy is an interconnected network that brings both benefits and challenges. The rise of some emerging economies has significantly affected employment and industry in developed nations. Technology is a key battleground in the economic rivalry between nations and their wealth, determined by various factors, and protectionist policies can have long-term effects that are both positive and negative, benefiting a few and harming many. The complex and dynamic nature of economies makes predicting their future a difficult and uncertain task, which is why no one, not even professionals, should foresee what will happen. Economies are influenced by a myriad of factors, including political events, technological advancements, natural disasters, consumer behavior, and global market trends, among others. Each of these factors can interact in unpredictable ways, making precise forecasting difficult. Even professionals such as economists and financial analysts often have differing opinions and predictions based on their models and assumptions. While these models can provide valuable insights and help in understanding potential trends and scenarios, they are still limited by the availability and accuracy of data, as well as the unpredictability of human behavior and external events. Therefore, while economic forecasts can be useful for planning and decision-making, they should be viewed with a degree of skepticism and understood as educated guesses rather than certainties.